Right on. Well, let's hear from you down there. Come on. Come on, get them out there. Flags. Come on, make some noise for them down there. Let's get them to the big end. Come on. You guys all said you came over. Let me hear from you. That's what we're looking for. Get him out here. He's working it now for every last inch on the big end. Down here. Oh, fourth fans. Alrighty, now we got Tom hooked and ready to go. Fourth fans, get ready. Tom Rouse coming at you. All right. Alrighty, it's Lewis Ray from Imperial, PA. Chevrolet fans, where are you? You've been quiet for way too long. Come on, Chevy fans, let's get them down here. Come on, Chevy fans, he needs your help. Alrighty, now we got green flags out. Come on, Mopar fans, he needs some encouragement down there. Come on, get your foot in it, son. That's all we're looking for. Foot to the floor. Don't let him get in there. Now we're talking. Oh, come on, Chad. Got to get your foot in it, son. There we go. Chad Lang running the right side, and he's got it right on the white line over there. Rolling in here to see Brad Berghoff is number 6 in points right now. Fourth fans, look out. Here he comes the attitude captain. Frank's in there watching the gauges, building up the RPM slowly. Bringing that truck up to temperature. Here we go, fans. Lunatic Freeze coming at you. Come on, Frank, turn it loose. Oh, that weight box sneaks up on him. Give it up for Frank. That here he comes, Sean Hodges, the on-bar time Dodge coming at you. Come on, Sean, turn loose. How about it, Mopar fans? Make some noise for him out there.